everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW i5 M60 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW i5 M60 in Black Sapphire Metallic. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we've got the iconic glow kidney grille lit up. We got the DRLs on. There's the key. I'm just going to press and hold panic for 1 second. So there's the full pathway lighting system, which is the low beams on. So now that we've seen the lights getting on there, let's do a lap all the way around. So we're just in the corner of the showroom a little bit, so kind of close quarters. We got the welcome light carpet on down here. And let's get those tail lights back on. So now that we've done this full lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. This is the beautiful Black Sapphire Metallic, and you can see the entire ceiling of our showroom reflecting off this car's hood. And it's also giving us a good chance to see the body lines. Look at that. So we've got lines here in the center, BMW Rondo with the blue accent, so we know that this is an EV. And if we take a look at the kidney grille, let's hit unlock again, so that lights up. And DRL's on, that looks spectacular. We do have a front-facing camera here, and we've got the horizontal slats with the M badging on the driver's side. Front plate bracket is on, and we've got the headlights on, functional air down here at the bottom, some active shutters down here as well. Front end looks really nice, and I really like how it looks lit up, and I have seen this in the wild, and it does look amazing. Now if we take a closer look at the headlights, these are the Shadowline BMW LEDs. They are raked down for that aggressive look, and again, I love the shape of the entire housing. Is kind of E60 like, which is kind of neat, a bit of heritage there. And side profile view of the front end, you can see the nose is a little bit raked back for that shark nose. That is old design BMW language, which is pretty sweet that it's there. And if we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 20-inch Aero wheels, 940M style, in jet black burnish with the blue M Sport brake back there. So got a little M badging over here. That looks really cool. And in the Canadian market, we've also got the M badge on the fender. We have the black M wing mirror with the integrated turn signal and side camera. And M welcome light carpet down here. It's a little bit hard to see, it's bright. And side profile view. Really nice looking from the side. And we do have the glass roof. New style antenna, Hofmeister kink with the 5 emblazoned onto it, which looks sweet. We also have the new flush door handles with touch comfort access at the front. And there's your rear 20-inch 940M wheel. And we've got the black spoiler on the trunk lid. And we've got the double stacked L-shaped tail lights. And we're doing big M and small letters now. So back here, we've got some vertical reflectors on each side. Rear diffuser here as well, and you can see most of the underside is pretty flat for aerodynamics. So since I've got the key with me, let's do a little kick underneath. So once that opens up, you'll see that we have a grocery bag hanger on each side. A little kit here, velcroed on with your tire inflator kit, wheel lock key tow hook. These are the carpeted mats. There's some static tie down areas in the back on each 4 corners. And we have the release levers to fold down the seats in a 60/40 split. If I lift this up, we've got a bit more space and level 1, level 2 charger. 18-foot cable on the flex charger, and this is additional space. And when we're done, there's a button here we can press, another one to, this is to close, this is close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle as well. So closing the hands-free way is always good. We have the charge port door on the passenger side, connected to the central locking system, so when the car is unlocked, so is this. And once this opens up, this is level 1, level 2. The whole thing is level 3 DC fast charge. Light is here so we can see, but it also will change colors to give us information about whether the car is charging now, later, or at all. Button here to unlock just the charging cable without having to unlock the door, so that only works when the key is nearby. And if I go ahead and open up the rear door here, so we've got some nice soft touch materials. We have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, window switch, door pull, ambient lighting here and down here, and some contrast stitching here as well. In the back seating area, let me just undo some of these seat belts. So this is the black interior, and up top I just wanted you to see there's a button here you can press that releases the center pass-through. And on the other side of that, we have the armrest with the cup holders. Up top, we've got some reading lights, some Bluetooth microphones, handles with coat hangers on each side. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, a storage space. There are more vents and more lighting underneath the front seats as well. So now that we've had a chance to look back here, let's shut this door. And we'll open up the front door next. So once this opens up, again, Bowers & Wilkins, interaction light bar. We got door pull, window switch, some pockets, some speakers. This is the carbon fiber interior trim with the silver lining. We've got these vent controls here, nice soft touch on the dash, curved display with iDrive operating system 8.5. And down here's your glove box. There's just a little button you have to press here that lowers it. It is illuminated inside. And you'll see that we have the power seat with lumbar. And this is the M tricolor stitching. We've got some Alcantara, Veganza, all that stuff. Headrest is also manually adjusted forwards, backwards, and up and down. And down here we've got some more vents. There's a wireless charger on the driver's side with a little vent to cool the phone. The right side is a storage area. And then we've got some cup holders with some illumination, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, glass iDrive controller. We've got your volume wheel, your gear selector, your push start button. And if I press this, this opens up and there's a 12-volt plug inside. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger side, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we open up that driver door, inside, Bowers & Wilkins, unlock, lock, seating menu button, memory buttons, all 4 window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate releases down there so you can press that to open or pull and hold to close while the key's inside. We have the full power seat with lumbar, once again. And we have the flat bottom M steering wheel with the M tricolor stitching, M at 6 o'clock, red marker at 12 o'clock. If I grab a seat in here, we also have the head-up display, and just wanted to take a look in the computer for a second. So seat comfort, this is the only way you can do the bolsters tighter or looser. And we also have under driving settings, this has all the parking things, so automatic front park, back park, parallel park, pre-record a parking path and have it repeated again. In terms of driving, we've got the assisted driving plus, so cruise control that mitigates the speed, distance to the car in front of you, steers for you, change lanes for you, all with no hands on the steering wheel. So that is sweet. And just wanted to open up the glass roof. So much like the 7 Series, it scrolls to the front, which is a little bit different. We've also got the interior camera here, And we've got some garage door openers here. And just wanted to show you, if we get onto the media, we have gesture controls. Right, we can also change the stations. So that's pretty cool. And now that we've had a chance to look inside, let's open the door again. And down here, it's not readily visible, but under here there's a hood release. So it's 2 pulls. So when we get to the front, you just have to lift this up. We have a massive M engine cover underneath here. This is where the washer fluid goes. There is a positive and negative battery terminal, but really it's not for us to use. It's just so we can discharge the battery for service. And this vehicle outputs a whopping 593 horsepower, 605 foot-pounds of torque, and gets a range of around 412 kilometers. Insane. So now that we've had a look at this, BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so it just means we got to send this down and have them both close at the same time. And because this hood is quite big, you got to really throw it down. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around the car. Car looks amazing. Look at this side profile view. Just trying to get all the nice shots. Yeah, this thing looks awesome. So how do you like the i5 M60, black on black, blue brakes, and very well equipped? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW i5 M60 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior. How do you like the spec? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.